Hello guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix add to cart button don't show up Shopify Dawn theme. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if the add to cart button doesn't show up on your Shopify Dawn theme here, there is a thing that you can do here to probably solve this issue. So first things first is you want to go ahead and go to your Shopify store here, and you want to go to online store, you want to go to themes, and you want to go and click on the customize button you see here. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to navigate to the product or default product page. Now, at the top section, you want to go and click on home page, and you want to go and click on the product section here, and you want to go and choose default product. Now, from here, what we need to do next is you want to go to the left side here, and you should see template. Now, from here, what you're looking for is going to be the buy buttons. Now, if you're not aware yet, the buy buttons actually contains the button for adding it to cart or just buying it directly from the product page. So just give me when I go to my product page here, access one of the products here, as you can see, the buy or add to cart button doesn't show up. So whenever we actually show this one, so if you have this eye icon that has a slash on it, it means that this buy button is hidden. So whenever you click on it, it should enable that again. As you can see, it will appear. Just click on save to save your changes. And when we actually go back into our Shopify store here and reload it, as you can see, add to cart is now visible again. Now, by the way, just in case you don't see the buy buttons here, so for example, you've deleted it accidentally, you could just click on add block here, and you should be able to see the buy buttons. And you could go and just, in this case, indicate where you want to add them. So I want to put them maybe under the quantity section. So you could go ahead and do that. And from here, just click on save again at the top right here. So to save your changes. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.